Hi everyone, it's Oliver from Nutanix. Welcome to this 5 in 5, where we talk about 5 facts in 5 minutes. Today's topic will be SciLeap. SciLeap is Nutanix disaster recovery service. So let's go straight to the first fact. Fact 1. What is SciLeap? SciLeap is a natively integrated cloud DR solution from Nutanix. The single management pane customers using today actually to manage their on-prem application and workloads can now be used to manage the disaster recovery environment on Sci. Therefore, it eliminates the need for dedicated DR sites. The subscription service is managed by Prism, and one-click failover, failback, and testing is integrated in this solution. Fact 2. Performance in SciLeap. Let's have a look at Sci and his performance characteristics. So, is it possible actually to run live VMs on Sci without any performance impacts? The answer would be simple, yes, we can. And in a use case scenario, we will see here with dev test and the VDI on a primary DC, there are some transactions per minute, and this has been applied to SciLeap, and we got almost the same transactions per minute than on-prem. So the question for the customer would be, can he run his VMs without any performance impacts in SciLeap during a disaster? The simple answer would be yes. The VMs runs with the same performance characteristics than on-prem. Fact 3. DR datacenter versus SciLeap. Let's have a look at SciLeap versus building a DR datacenter. First, you got a true cloud service from Nutanix. Nutanix engineers that do manage end-to-end service and security. You have SLAs on data loss with recovery point objects and time to bring up your DR environment with recovery time objects. Second, you can save money. With SciLeap, compared to doing it yourself, you get a much lower TCO. And you have a built-in free firewall, you have DDoS service, and your hardware gets refreshed every few years. Third, there is no hardware and software to manage from your side, as Nutanix will take over all these parts. Fourth, DR testing that works. Customer can preserve VM IP addresses, have a full test environment where they can test their functionality of their DR service, and they can create networks on the fly with SciCloud's software defined network service. Fact 4. Global availability. Now let's talk about our global availability of the SciCloud infrastructure. It's getting actually broader. So we have a US West data center, US East, we have UK, London and Italy that are already running. Germany and Japan will be coming soon. We do have direct partners. We're partnering with Megaport, with Telecom Italy and Equinix. So it's easy to choose really the closest data center to use the Nutanix SciCloud infrastructure. Fact 5. A really fast demo. Well, after you have done the availability zone, you can begin to protect the VMs. So first you have to do the categories. Just define some categories and add these categories to each VM do you actually want to protect. After you have done that, you can go to the protection policy. In the protection policy, you just define your remote site, you define your retention period, and you add associated categories. After you have done that, you just create a recovery plan where you can have different boot stages for VMs that have to be booted before some other VMs, for example, and to set up the whole network on the other side. So in case of a DR, everything works on the other side. So that's how easy it is to set up SciLeap on a system. Well, this was 5 in 5. 5 facts in 5 minutes. I hope you found it interesting. My name is Oliver from Nutanix, and I wish you all the best. See you next time. Bye bye.